If you've worked hard to reach a credit score above 700, the next question is, how do you actually keep it there? Because building it is one thing, maintaining it is another. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to maintain a 700 plus credit score long term without stressing over every small change. First, let's quickly cover what keeps your score strong. Your credit score mainly depends on payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, and new inquiries. So if you protect these areas, your score usually stays stable. Step 1. Never miss a payment. I mean, this is non-negotiable. Even one payment that's 30 days late can drop a 700 score fast. Set up automatic payments for at least the minimum due just to stay safe. Next, control your credit utilization. While staying under 30% is good, if you want to comfortably stay above 700, aim for under 10%. So if your total credit limit is $5,000, try keeping your balance below 500. Another important move, don't close your oldest credit card unless there's a serious reason. Length of credit history helps your score. The longer your accounts stay open and in good standing, the better. Be smart about applying for new credit. Every hard inquiry can temporarily lower your score a few points. So yeah, space out applications and only apply when necessary. Finally, check your credit report regularly. Look for reporting errors, unknown accounts, or incorrect late payments. Even a small mistake can affect your score, so catching it early keeps your 700 plus status protected. So maintaining a 700 plus credit score isn't about doing something dramatic. It's about small, consistent habits. Pay on time, keep balances low, protect your credit age, and avoid unnecessary applications. Do that, and your score should stay strong. Yeah, pretty steadily over time. If you've worked hard